guys, so today we'll make chocolate cake for our most generous super chatter for this week. So ngayon, gagawa na lang ako ng chocolate cake para pang shoutout sa kanya mamaya. So ngayon mga palangga, and of course, kung hindi pa po kayo connected sa ating super chatter, feel free to connect with him. At sa lahat ng mga super chatters natin, ilalagay ko sa ating description box yung mga link nila. And of course, sa ating recipe for this chocolate cake, guys, I already make this one. So I will also add the link on our description box para hindi na po ako maging hindi na ako tumagal sa pagbablog. Kaya medyo shortcut na lang natin, hindi na totaling mag-show ako paano ginawa kasi nagawa ko na siya ng twice. So ngayon, may natira pa kasing mga chocolate, isayang naman kung hindi ko siya gagamitin. So ginawa ko na lang pang shoutout na lang sa ating super chatters. Medyo malayo pa. Parang layo ko lang na. Zoom in na lang. Okay, kailangan i-set natin siya mga palangga. Kailangan septed lang ha. Malayo ka ako. Without cutting. Ilang minutes kaya tumatapos lang nga pag hindi ako nag-cut. Okay guys. Nakapag-preheat na rin ako ng oven mga palangga. So, ready na yung oven anytime na magiging okay na yung ating cake. And cocoa powder. So, ilan ba? Actually, gusto ko rin talaga kumain din ng chocolate cake. Kasi hindi ako lumayas. Hindi ako kasi gumala ngayon, so walang chocolate cake. So let's eat something, and guys. Let's start our week tomorrow with the sweetness. Tama ba? Wait lang. Ay! My gosh! Tsara. So dahan-dahan. Guys, kung may gusto niyo i-follow yung ating chocolate cake recipe, nasa playlist ko na rin po siya. Nalagay ko na rin siya sa playlist. Nagawa ko na siya ng paulit-ulit eh. Pero hindi ko pa siya nagawa. Totaling nagmukbang ako. Hindi ko pa siya nagawa yan. Hindi ko pa rin nagawa. So, pwede na to eh. Okay. Vanilla guys. So, 1 teaspoon lang to. So, tansyain nyo na lang. Ang sarap ng chocolate cake na tulangga. Hindi kayo magsisisi pag nag-try kayo. Tsaka madali lang siya gawin. Uy, next is coffee. Coffee guys, we need some hot water. Nakalimutan ko yung coffee natin. Medyo mainit. Kasi dapat pala nauna ito ga. Maglagay din kayo ng coffee guys. Nescafe lang yung ginamit ko ga. So here's lang ga. Okay. Oh my gosh. So i-bake lang natin siya ng ilang minutes ba yun? Nakalimutan ko ga ala. Guys, kung gusto nyo sundan yung ating recipe, nandiyan lang po sa ating isang vlog. Nilalagay ko na lang sa description box. Yun yung ipalo nyo. Tsaka step by step na kasi yan. Hindi kayo mahihirapan. Mas madali siyang gayahin. Compare sa ginawa ko now. So, wala na. So, let's bake for, how to say, so, i-bake na natin ng ilang minutes. Kalimutan ko rin kung ilang minutes. Hala lang ga. So, let's do a baking na. Dun sa likod. Pero hindi ko na kayo sama. Wala, makalat dun guys. Diyan lang kayo. Bake ko muna ito lang ga. So, bago ako bago ako gagawa ng frosting, kailangan ko muna siyang iligpit. Magligpit muna tayo kasi hindi ko, baka mamaya pumalpak yung ating cake. At least. Hindi masayang yung ating frosting. So, kailangan ko muna antayin na hindi pumalpak yung ating cake. So, magligpit muna tayo ha. Dami ko kalat oh. Guys, hugas muna ako. Sana walang palpak para makapag-shoutout tayo ng bonggang-bongga sa ating Super Chatter for this September. Shoutout sa lahat. cake mukbang for our super chatter, Sir Joey. So if you're not yet connected with Sir Joey, guys, feel free to connect with his YouTube channel. So his channel name is Raptor BBQ 2020. I'm not sure how to say. Eh, kung makikita ba? Raptor BBQ 2020. So this cake, I make a quick chocolate cake for our super chatters. And of course, not just for, syempre, kay Sir, for our September super chatters. I want to say thank you also to Sir Dilip Sheikh Hawat, guys. If you're not yet connected with Sir Dilip, feel free to connect with him. Angelito Santos also. He is from London, UK. And Tracker C, thank you so much. And of course, my very supportive friend also is Tracker C. And What the F Mike also, guys, if you are not yet connected with Mike, What the F Mike, feel free to connect with them. Anna Blenda also, and of course, shout out to Anna Blenda, my super chatters, and at the same time, my new members in our membership perks. And Sir Kian, Act of Kindness. Thank you so much, Sir Kian, for always supporting my YouTube channel. And Sir Raptor BBQ, and of course, Start 14. And OK Grower, and to all my super chatters, I cannot mention you one by one, but thank you so much. OK Grower also is one of my super generous supporter, super chatters, and Sam Helmer. So thank you so much. So let's try our, ouch! Oh my God. So let's try our cake, guys. Baka pa may pad. Okay, madali lang siya, but I'm sure, guys, it's very delicious. So let's do this one. So I will not cut the name. Sir Raptor. Raptor, guys. Raptor. Guys, check him out, guys. Sir Raptor YouTube channel. So if you're not yet connected with him, feel free to connect. So, which one? Ayaw ko siyang sirain. Sayang kasi yung letters, diba? Raptor. So, saan tayo magka-cut? Pag ano na lang, okay? Let's cut this one, the Raptor. Grabe, I'm craving with chocolate. Actually, I really want to bake chocolate cake. See? Soft and fluffy. Oh my gosh. So, let's try. First, subo. Of course, our super chatters. Wait. So, guys, if you want to follow our cake recipe, I'll just write down in our description box. You can follow this one and you will not regret making chocolate cake, guys. Oh my gosh. Sayang kasi ito, pag inano ko. Pero guys, sayang kasi siya pag pag kinat ko. Kaya ko ba ito ubusan? I will give to my neighbors. Pero guys, ang sarap. Ang sarap ng chocolate. Grabe, parang nabusog na ako. Wait lang, guys. Wait. Grabe, nabusog naman ako. Bigyan natin yung kapitbahay ko. Wait, guys, I will take the box. I need to give to my neighbor. Ching ako. Ching! Number, please! Wala. Ay, give back na ako. Sino kaya? Guys, I will give this one to my neighbor. Hindi naman kaya ito ubusin. Ay, kasi ba ito? Hindi ko man ito siya kaya ubusin ng gawin. Here, this side. Diba? BBQ 2020. BBQ 2020. So this one is for my neighbors, guys. Wait. Family. Okay. Oh my gosh. See, BBQ 2020. Diba? Grabe. Ang sarap ng craving, guys. Craving is so real. Masarap. BBQ 2020. Pwede na po. Hindi na kasi magkasya itong maliit. Eh. So, let's give this to our neighbors. So, my neighbors is there, guys. So, slowly. Tumataba na yung neighbors ko. Diba? Tumataba yung kapitbahay ko. I vlog. Yeah, thank you. I vlog. Hala. Thank you. Sarap ba? Yeah. Grabe, sarap man, uy. Sarap man, uy. Grabe, manamot mo kung wala na ga. Bus na. Hala. Notebook ko. Huwag na guys, wala na akong pangkape bukas. Ito na lang natira. Ang kalahati sa kapitbahay. Bago ko pala makalimutan lang ga, please don't forget also to connect with our members. Salamat sa mga nag-renew. Kabayan Nida is an organic subscriber din. And Streetwalker, thank you so much for renewing your perks. Shout out to the Streetwalker guys. Sino pa ba na nag-renew? Nico Greco, thank you so much Sir Nico for renewing your perks. He is already in love. Sino pa yan dyan guys? Sa lahat na nag-renew. Wala, hindi ko na may isa-isa ha. Wala akong listahan. So, thank you so much for staying on my membership perks, on our perks. So, guys, mayroon po tayong pag-giveaways kay Ashley na birthday. So, don't forget also to connect with Ashley Gwen on September 28. So, abangan po ninyo yun and pasok lang kayo sa live ko para sa mga entry na ibibigay natin. Palista. Okay? So, thank you so much guys ha. I love you all. Grabe, sarap. Hindi ko na maubos. So, please don't forget to connect with our super chatter, Raptor BBQ 2020. So, thank you so much, sir, for your very, oh my gosh, naiyak ako kanina sa super chat niya, guys. So, thank you so much, sir, sa super chat niyo po sa akin. Isang subo para sa inyo lahat, guys. Kunti lang, ha. Baka maano na tayo dito, ma-overcake. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all.